Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to find your total watch hours on YouTube. So let's start. First, open a browser and go to youtube.com. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner and tap on desktop site. And youtube.com will reload on desktop mode. Now tap on your profile picture on top right corner and go to your channel. Now tap on Manage Videos. And YouTube Studio will open in a new tab. Now on the left hand side you'll see a dollar icon. Tap on that. And it will bring it to your monetization section. Here you can see your total subscriber count and your total public watch hours. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.